door treatment revisited. And as you can see over here, I have some ABS plastic sheets, two that are like a 16-inch thick and then a 1/4-inch thick. I originally wanted to use the 1/4-inch, but I think it's going to be too heavy, so this will just kind of add a little bit of rigidity. Not much, but so yeah, I'm not going to film me taking the door card off because I think I've done that, or if not, it's online somewhere. But once we get it off, I'll cut you back on. All around, but it really needs some more coverage, so I'm gonna do my best and I'll show you what I've done. For this test tape, actually over here, because I want to sound treat speaker wires, as well as change this, what is this thing called? Door, fuck, I have no idea what it's called, but I can see some thread locker in there if you look. It's like all blue, so I'll have to buy some of that. But door checks, that's what they're called. Anyway, because I added so much deadener and larger speakers, and it's mainly the deadener though, you know, the door won't stay open when, even like we're on pretty flat ground right now, and the shit wants to hit me in the shin. And it was cool, it was fine when there was no deadener in the door, but now that the door weighs like, I don't know, 40 pounds or something versus like 20, you know, I bought some new ones from Honda, so that's why I got these guys out. And show you one. Alright, so as you can see, still got to tackle some more of the outer door skin, but got the speaker back in, as well as the new door check. So the door, oops, isn't falling on me anymore, which is so nice. Can't wait to try it out on a hill. It's pretty stiff, but yeah. Check out the crime scene. Anyway, I'm about to call it a night. This is what I got done today. So as you can see, there was a hole there. I used the ABS to, what I did was I sandwiched a layer, so it's like I cut the plastic, then I cut a piece of damplifier just a little bit bigger than the plastic and stuck it on the back side. Then I got a bigger piece that was even bigger than that and then rolled it on here. So I did the same for over here. And for this tour, just got the pieces down there. Anyway, so yeah, I'm calling it a night. I'm gonna work on this tomorrow, so see you then. What's going on, guys? You can see I'm over here at the right door. Gonna get started on this today. Let me tell you, you have no idea how nice it is to have the door open and stay open. I used to be sitting here working on this other door in the summer, have that door open as well as the windows down, and if I just like jerk the car the tiniest bit, that shit would come slamming and scare the shit out of me. But yeah, it's also nice to not have it closed on your leg. Anyway, I don't know why I'm zooming in on that, but yeah, as you can see, it's pretty solid, but it's gonna be so much more solid when we get done with everything. So yeah. Okay, I didn't really show how I did the first side, so I was just like trying to get it done. So now I know what I did. I'll show you what I did. So here we have some 1/16 of an inch ABS, and basically I just put it up here and roughly traced out with a silver Sharpie. This is actually the paint version, but when you're working with like ABS and deadener and stuff like that, you need to have one of these, because fucking black Sharpies don't work, or if they do, you're looking for like this red purple, dark red purple line that only shows when the light hits it right. So anyway, yeah, so we do that, and then if you can see, I have my tin snips. This stuff is just thin enough to be able to cut real precisely, which is nice. If it was any thicker, it would just kind of crack as I tried to cut it. But anyway, I'm actually gonna cut out the holes, cut the deadener out first, and then we can piece everything together and stick it on. I almost forgot I have to do the rest of the inside of this door. Just cutting it back on. You can see I added a lot more deadener. This thing, I mean, I knew it from the other side and just from when I've had this door off in general, but this thing is like such a huge source for resonance. It's like as dead as I can get it. As you can see back here, I put a big glob, kind of just add some more, stuff. It used to make like a ching noise when I hit it. Ching, Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna have to put a piece or two right in the middle there. Yeah, and then a piece right there. Alright, so as you can see, we got this door sealed up. Alright guys, so I'm here. I haven't cleaned the floor up yet, but I got both the doors completely sealed off. Project, I guess, door treatment revisited. is complete. See, I got the Halloween theme going on. Anyway, this shit sounds so good right now. I just want to do a little demo.
Too fast, time to hate it.